some of them not really. But what I like about it is it has multiple options that can actually speed up and help you on your workflow. So we have our small text right here, which is I think looks pretty good, but let's see what it does. So right now we're gonna have option to improve our writing or correct grammar and spelling, which Figma already has it by default, right? So make the text shorter, make the text longer, make the tone formal and informal. I think these two options should be pretty cool, but I think you have to select from multiple options that it offers, and I think ChatGPT as well, it will give you pretty close option to ChatGPT. So let's see how it works. Let's select our text and let's select improve writing. Okay, let's tick this option off because we don't want it to replace it. So let's click rewriting text. So you see it's reviewing the text we have right here, and it's gonna give us an option. Let's wait until it loads and see what it does. What it actually did is give us a little bit of description of what it does. So what I think is we can ignore this text right here, the last bit. We can basically remove it. So as you can see, because my initial copy is pretty good as well, I think it's just rephrase it a bit. Next option that we have right here is correct grammar and spelling mistakes. So technically Figma can do that as well, but let's make a few mistakes, and let's say here, and see how it will detect them and replace. Okay, so let's select correct grammar and spelling, and let's click rewrite text. I'm gonna have to wait a couple of seconds until it loads, and then see what option it will give us. Okay, so all we have right here is AA, which has been fixed, and the typo right here has been fixed as well, so it works pretty well. Okay, the next one, let's see what make tone informal, see what option it will give it. Actually, it's pretty interesting. Let's see what it does. So let's select it. I always replace the text, tuck this off because I don't want it to replace, because sometimes it gives you not the best option, so you don't want to lose your initial copy. Okay, so let's see what it has right here. So this is the option I give. Hi there. So let's talk about how visual is. Can totally amp up to a presentation game. I think this entire is pretty good. You see, it looks very solid. It's actually informal, audience hooked. You see, they use this different words that make it actually informal. So I would say it does a pretty good job. Of course, it has some positive things, but I think it's still in development. But as of right now, I think this is pretty good plugin to help you in your workflow, and can save you time while you're working with the text, because sometimes you're very tired, sometimes you don't really have inspiration. You can go on ChatGPT, but it always will give you so much, so I think it's better that we have this plugin directly in Figma, so you don't have to go and use third-party services. I think it does a pretty good job. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, please do share them in the comment section and I'll answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.